Scientific studies have shown that your battery is one of the most important parts of your cranking system. Well, today, Manny Fresh is going to show you how to change the dead battery in your Outlander. Out with the old, in with the new, today on Getting It Done.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to walk you through on changing a battery on a Can-Am ATV. Now Can-Am has a different couple models for you to choose from, depending on your riding style and needs. Check with your local parts dealer to make sure you have the right part number for your specific model. Now the hardest part about today is going to be finding your tools because you're going to need the infamous 10mm. And be sure to check that the battery is fully charged before you install it. Once you do that, we can get this job started. First thing you want to do on your ATV is keep safety in mind. You're going to pull the keys out of the ignition and you're gonna make sure the bike's in park. Once you do that, you need to locate your battery. The battery is generally underneath the seat on these ATVs, so you're gonna come over here, pull on the safety latch that's on the back, up and back, and you can get your seat out of the way. Go ahead and get your new battery out of the box. Make sure that you have everything you need. Make sure that your part numbers match on the battery that you have and the battery that's in the ATV. You need to take away this safety retainer right here, which is 10mm. It's got 3 bolts on it, holding it down. So we're gonna go ahead and get that out of the way. Now when you're taking these bolts out, you want to find a safe spot to put them so that you don't lose them. Over here on the back of the four-wheeler be a good spot to hang them out. Now you got your battery accessible. So you're going to take your negative off first to discharge the system. Don't lose the washer that's up underneath the bolt. You can get your negative cable and get it out of your way, and then move over to your positive and go ahead and take it off. Once you get your positive cable out of the way, then we can go ahead and pull the battery out of the bike. So we got new hardware that came with the battery. Now these little things are like jumping jacks. So what I like to do is go ahead and stick them where they go. I put the screws in there to hold them retainers in place. And make sure you pay attention to the orientation of the way the battery's gonna go. This battery's gonna lay down, so you wanna come in from the side. This could save you a lot of frustration and time wasted on things that you can be doing like riding. Go ahead and tilt your battery back and go ahead and put it in its allotted slot. Make sure that you have your negative black cable lined up with your negative or minus sign post and your cross or positive sign with the red positive side of the post. Let's do the positive side first in reverse of how you take it off. Now we'll go ahead and get your negative post on and go ahead and tighten her down. Now you don't want to get too nasty with these, but you want to give it a good snug. Make sure that they're not loose. Now that you got the battery in there, you can go ahead and put your holder back on. Come back over here to the 10mm that you set aside and go ahead and get them back in place. Now you can go ahead and tighten your 10mm up and make sure that the protective cover over the positive sits over it and that it's not bound up against anything. So once you get your battery installed, go ahead and check the bike, make sure that it operates properly. Go ahead and start it, make sure everything's functioning, and now you can go back with your seat. What you want to look for is this hook right here that's going to engage in the part of the ATV right here. So what you want to do is put it down on there, give it a nice tug forward, and then clip down, make sure that it's clipped in. Now that you got this done, you're ready to get back on the trail and go have some fun.
999, 1,000. Oh, I didn't see you there. So, that's Manny walking you through how to put the battery in this Outlander. If you want to see more videos, go like this one, subscribe to our YouTube page, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we're going to keep showing you how to get it done.